A beautiful Sunday afternoon here at Antelope Valley Fairgrounds. This is the second heat for the Sunday Smash. How many years have they been doing this? I have no idea. But Stan McDonald's car is leading you into the arena. We're going to start with the first car.
Number 5150, Brian Horton. We know this is going to be a heavy hitter delivering some hard hits. We threw a camera on him.
Michael Ojeda and the number 87. Look at that car, fresh as I guess a Demolition Derby car can be. He is putting in some radio communications to his driver's helmet. We'll see who the spotter is.
The number 01, James Nino. Talk about a fresh-looking car. This is about as fresh as I've seen at this Derby. Number 01, Blue, going to dish out some hits tonight.
A green monster right here, the number 07, Matthew McDonald, in the Stan McDonald School of Driving, and so they say. Well, I guess if you're learning from the dad, you can only become a better driver.
Well, we go from the son, now we're at the dad. Stan McDonald, number 707. He's going to be driving a car that's already won a Demolition Derby out at the Orange County Fair.
Robert Hansen in the number 16. You see the crazy taxi. I just hope the passenger is here to watch what they just rode into Lancaster, California.
Next up, we have the number 43, Michael Forbes, part of Angel's Touch Towing Team. He's going to be carrying on an unusual guest. Try a giant stuffed animal on the roof. We'll see how that stuffed animal does, and the number 43 of Forbes.
We see Superman has arrived. I just hope there's no kryptonite here at Antelope Valley. The number 180, Mike Stewart.
Next up, we have the number 32. That's Robbie Lassos. Definitely a regular out here at these Demolition Derbies in the Antelope Valley. And I'll tell you what, this car, one of the smaller ones, but I think he's ready to do some hitting.
Not so small for this young lady, the number 19, Bernadette Troche. We talked to her before the Derby, and she said this might be her finale. I think she still has a bug, though.
We went from one Lassos, we go to the next. Now the number 22, Amanda Lassos. I wonder how well this thing's going to camouflage. We're not in the Amazon, we're in the Antelope Valley Desert, and we're getting ready to get heat race number 2, riding along with the number 5150, Brian Horton, going to get us underway. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for the Demolition Derby number 2? Woo!
Robert Hansen coming in trying to tackle that right now. That was a hit. And they're all done. Now, oh, look at that hit. The 01, James Nino unplugged those guys, and they were locked up bumper to bumper. The 707 Stan McDonald, love the body work he's done on that. 87 car, big hit. Michael Ojeda looks like he may knock that puppy up, and that's a smart thing to do to get that rear end out of it. Oh, 7 car just took that taxi out. Wow, that was a huge hit. Matt McDonald put a great hit on the 16 of Robert Hansen. Turn into a snake in about a minute. And we have some ladies out there that are not scared to hit people either. You look in the arena and you hear somebody coming, oh, that was another good hit. I'll tell you what, James Nino deserves a round of applause. That guy's smacking people. The 87 car is at high speed and made a wrong turn. Oh, no. 32 car. Robbie Lassos put in another lick on the 07 of Matt McDonald. Look at it. What's this? Oh, man, he had a turn at the end. The 87 car, Mike Ojeda, had a great run going and had to turn out of it. Remember, you cannot hit his driver door. Here comes the old one. Oh!
still running except taxi. No, taxi! They tell me the taxi's running.
Oh, man.
It was moving at least.
I mean, I saw some of these guys in the pits. They better have the AARP as a sponsor.
That was brave.
That was very close to seeing driver doing, but I think he's okay. I think we're lost there. I think the 5150 in that car just a little time and a little crinkle. Now we're going to have that. There we go. And you're right. They hooked them up with it.
43 seems touched.
Well, Angel says go. Mike Ford is going nowhere, but the wheels are spinning. What's that all about? Well, he ain't high center, is he not? No, there he is. He's front fender center. Yeah, he's got front wheel off that with weapon. Oh, he's going to help out. Stan McDonald was going to help out, and then went, no. I just think Stan was so smart with his body. Look at that, sure, you go this way. Nino, the 01 car, he had a good run of a 43, and I think decided
Microphone.
Not bad.
I like the sound of it. You're right, I like how that came out of nowhere.
All right, still seeing some good hits on. Remember, the 43 car's there, but really no need to knock it out. The 32 car's still plenty of action. And that's Robert Lassos. Amanda Lassos is still in the 22. Go, Amanda. The number 180 still out there, Mike Stewart.
All right, that's the end of heat number 2 at the Antelope Valley Demolition Derby here in beautiful Lancaster, California, where the Antelope stray. Derby cars have been smashing, and I don't think there's one. Well, I did speak about the 61. The 16 got a lot of damage as well. Robert Hansen, the crazy taxi. The passenger hopefully was not in the car, hopefully in the grandstand. Another one to talk about, the number 19, Bernadette Troche. I believe we looked in the pits, and the pit crew was pushing that dead batteried car with a flat tire. That does not sound good, especially when it's a big heavy station wagon.
Now, I'm also looking at 2 cars, Tommy. The 5150 Brian Harden, we already talked about him. That car, just wait until you see whatever he delivers in the main event, because as we said, you saw the onboard camera. I can't wait to see what Brian has in store. I'm also keeping an eye on the number 01, James Nino. You want to talk about a guy who impressed me in this heat? It was him. Dishing out some heavy hits, taking out some cars, and that is a car I want to watch for the main event.